A Texas mother has been arrested after she claimed her 2-year-old daughter died after accidentally firing a gun, only for the little girl's autopsy to reveal she didn't actually shoot herself in the head. Jessica Cantu, 35, was taken into custody last week and charged with endangering a child, 4 months after her toddler, Juelz Gonzalez, died in their San Antonio home, Fox 29 reported. Initially it was reported to police that the child shot herself, the San Antonio Sheriff's Office said Thursday. Through the course of the investigation, investigators gathered additional evidence including the medical examiner's report that determined the child had not shot herself. Juelz's autopsy revealed she couldn't have shot herself because the gun was fired from a distance, and not close proximity. The mom had initially told cops that she was in the bathroom with her 4-year-old daughter when she heard a loud pop the night of February 18. She claimed that Juelz had been lying on a bed watching a movie on a cell phone at the time. Cantu and her 32-year-old boyfriend, Joshua Christopher Ramirez, who owned the gun, both ran into the bedroom and found the little girl. Ramirez was arrested at the time for allegedly owning the gun used in the girl's death. The district attorney hasn't ruled out filing additional charges against Cantu or Ramirez. Cantu is now being held on a $150,000 bond.